create a bar chart from a survey just like this one. Under Forms, Charts and Calculations, which is where we are, and I'm going to add a new one, and I'm going to call this a Survey Result Bar Chart. And that's the form it's connected to. Create that. I want a bar chart, and I'm going to go for horizontal. In terms of the x-axis, I'm going to select the activity has helped our team's cohesion. I want to count the entries. And the chart title, let's give it the question. The activity has helped team cohesion. And when we preview this, okay, so it's a bit squishy. All the columns are the same color, and you'll notice particularly the color, the order is a bit odd. It goes agree, disagree, neutral, strongly agree, strongly disagree. It's in alphabetical order, which isn't really what we want. So what I'm going to do is go to the customizer. First of all, I'm going to make it a bit wider, let's say 600. But I also want the advanced customizer, which isn't showing here at the moment. So in order to get that to show, I press update. I go back to customizer, and there it is. And this is not available for GFChart basic customers. If you go back to plugins here, you'll notice we've got the GFChart advanced customizer available. So that's installed, and that's what you need. That comes as part of the all package. Anyway, if we go back to Forms, Charts and Calculations, and back here, which is the one that we were working on, you recall, that's now a bit wider because we put 600. And you'll notice the order here is agree, disagree, neutral. So that the order is wrong. So if we go back to the customizer, what we can do here, oh, it's actually sorted it out for us, but using these drag and drop things here, you can now set the order. So if we go back to the preview, you'll see these are now in the natural order, starting with strongly agree through to strongly disagree. Now you might just want to leave it at that, but I quite like changing the colors to be a bit more meaningful for each of those options. And you go back to here and you can just select the color using these sort of functions here. One thing I really like is if you go to a color generator, and I've gone to this coolers.co site here, and if you go to explore, there's some really popular palettes that come up, and I quite like this one here because it's sort of it's color. So I've copied that color there. So if I go back to here and I can paste that in there. Oh, I need to put the hash in front of it. And then for here, paste in here. Paste that in there, and I go for this one, which is there. I'll put the hash in. And then we go for this one, which is that one here. And then the final one is this one here. And put that there. So now when we go to preview, we get a much more appropriate sort of look. And there you have it.